Hi, crafty friends. I'm back, and I have a lot of new items that I want to show you and tell you about. But my most popular item in my Etsy shop, I will put the link in the description box below, is this 3D double-sided tape roll holders. I've two, well, how do you say that? Ready to go ones that you can't change like they are. And all of a sudden, I got a question from a lady, and she asked me something like, could I, um, how do you say that? Alter the inside of the tape box, so the dividers. And I was like, well, that's a great idea. You know what? Let me go and design one. So, this is the first, no, this was the first one I designed. And all the rolls fit perfectly inside there too. I will show it to you. I even made a video short, so they fit perfectly in either of them. This one I originally made for myself because I have a window sill close by, and I put it there and I put my rolls in like this, and I found that very handy because I was always taking up all the rolls before I could get to the roll that I needed at that moment. So that's why I designed the second one, and that was this one. But I have a new one. Let me put these two aside, and I've printed a few. And please keep in mind, these cost 11 hours each to print. But I printed in 4 colors, so you have an idea how they look in all different kind of colors. And you'll say, well, what's special about this? Well, let me show you. I will show you the pink one, but these are all available in my Etsy store right now. And I went to a sewing store where you can buy elastic bands, and the ones that I already have ready, so the teal, the purple, the black, and this pink one, come all with an elastic band that I made myself. So this is the new version, and it comes with the lid. This is the lid. It has rounded corners that's nicer to your hand when you pick it up, or you want something to close it up with. That's what I wanted to say. And if you go on a craft retreat or whatever, you can use this as a waste bin. And when you're ready, you throw your waste away, and you can use it as a lid again. But the fun thing about this is that the dividers, because if you buy one, it comes with 4 dividers, and this one always struggle. I always struggle in my videos. Sorry for that. I'm human too, and well, not perfect. But you can divide the inside or make your own, how do you say that, divisions? No. Well, you can make your own sections. I think that's the best way to say it. So if you want the widest roll here and a smaller roll there, that's optional. If you have a very wide roll, you can put it here. You get 4 dividers with your order. If you want extra dividers, so if you all want small rolls, let me know. There is always a way. I am willing to make you happy with your purchase. That's what I wanted to say. So the lid goes on like this, so it acts like a dust cover, but also when you travel, your rolls will not fall out. And then I used a 25mm elastic, sewed it together, and it holds very well. You can hide this behind some hot glue and a nice trinket or whatever you want to put on there to hide the seam. That's optional too. So I have it in pink, I have one in black, and I found this elastic and I loved it. So, and it comes with 4 dividers too. Oh, it's that black that you hardly can see them. Oh well, me when I look at my screen when I videotape. Um, and these two, the purple one comes with a, sorry, excuse me, comes with a white elastic band because I couldn't find the perfect purple elastic band. So it comes with a white one, and I have a teal one on its way, elastic band, so I need to make that for this one. But this is for Elizabeth, so Elizabeth, your order is ready. I will ship it out to you, but I wanted to use it for this video to show people how it looks in teal. So again, you can divide this however you want, and it works perfectly as you see. And I was so proud at this design. I was thankful for the question because it didn't cross my mind to make one with options, if you know what I mean. So with a lid, with the option to make your own sections, and I think these are super cute. Then I have another important message. A few even. In my Etsy shop, I have a roll dispenser or a foam block dispenser, however you want to call it. I had it in there, and yes, I sold a few for those people, and I can check it. So if you didn't buy it, you won't get this one for free. But if you already bought the digital file for this one, and you want this new improved model, let me know and I will send you the file for free. Because it was bugging me. The old one had sharp corners at the front. That's what different about this. And it had, well, for my liking, a too tight closure, and I wanted this top part to be snug against the top of the box, and the other one didn't have that. It was sticking out a little bit more, and I added a little heart at the back so you can pull this up way more easy, because we do not all, like myself, have long nails to pull this up. So you can use the heart to pull it up. And what I also changed is the thickness of the divider inside. There is a divider that keeps the rolls apart, and I made that a little bit wider so it's a little bit more sturdy. So this one is also available, and in this one I get a lot of questions about that one. I use these foam blocks or rolls or whatever, foam tape. That's what I used inside, and these were sent to me by a very kind lady from America. So these are available in your dollar stores, and I know in the Netherlands we have rolls like this too. But just so you know, these are the rolls I put in, and those measurements I used to design this box. And I think it's fun to have on your crafting desk and very convenient. Then for the longest time, and I will show you, I printed them in rainbow colors. I wanted to make cute, how do you say that, cups, bins, trays. I'm not sure how you call that properly, but I wanted to make cute sequin cups, or if you make a lot of shaker material, or if you have like people who make rosettes that dip the sides with glue into something sparkly or glitter or whatever. I wanted you to have something cute on your desk. So what I did is I designed this cup, and it's now available in my Etsy shop, and I could not resist making them in rainbow order. So I'm only still looking for a good red color that matches with these pastel colors. I absolutely love pastel colors, so I had to do it in rainbow. But these measure, let me take out my ruler, about 3¼ by 1½. So not too big, not too small, perfect to put your sequins in. And I've put this, I will put, at this minute, I didn't put this tag in my store, but I will sell these because I can print my own. And if you want them, you will find them later on in my Etsy shop. And then, and not always my prints going well, or my ideas going well. Well, I had a very kind Dutch lady. She asked me, Nicole, could you design cute cups for my sequin stuff and spoons to go with them? And I had something like, yeah, I think I can. So I designed them, and in my design program they look flawless. But designing them and printing them are two totally different things. Because if you look closely, you can see all the layer lines, but if you look at the back, oh, look how horrible they look. Oh my goodness. Can you see all those layer lines? I absolutely hate that. And I thought this is fun to have on the side, or for a left-handed lady to scoop things up. And then only one of the four was reasonable. Only the back looks horrible again too. So what I'm going to do, instead of throwing these away, because I hate making waste, for the person who buys this stack of these cups, I will add these in for free. So I don't throw them away. You can use them. They are spoons. They just don't look that pretty. That's the reason I'm not going to sell these, because I want things to be pretty and perfect and nice. So, yeah, I will put this in my Etsy shop, and I will not make pictures of the spoons, just the cups. And if you buy them, please rest assured you will get the 4 spoons with them. Then I had another idea. As you know, I'm a big fan of my memory decks machine. Let me take one because I forgot. Oh, oh, shoot. Oh, they are all sold. Well, if you look in my Etsy shop, you will see the memory decks machine, fully functioning one that I designed. Well, I thought, how fun would it be to have that in a sort of calendar style, so people can make their own calendars with memory decks dice. Well, I designed one, and it looks pretty. It works perfectly. It works perfectly. You can change the layer or flip them over. But the problem with 3D printing is you have to print it in a certain way, or like this, or like this. Sometimes the weirdest ways are the best way to print things. So I thought I had a brilliant way to print this. And if you look, it looks flawless from this side. No problem at all. But it needs support to print these 2 discs. Well, if I turn it over, you will see how messy they look on the other side. See, and that's something, trust me, I want to sell this, but if it's not up to my standards, I know 3D printing has flaws in it and that you have to take that, but this is too many flaws to my liking. So what I did is, for a very small price, so only cost price, I've put this particular one in my store. So I only have one. I will not make more. If you want, you can pick this up. It's pink, it's sturdy, it works properly. It only does not look pretty. So if you, like me, don't like waste, but you want to make your own calendar, this is something for you, I think. And then last but not least, I wanted to show you my houses. I had them printed in rainbow colors, and when people saw them, they picked up a few of the ones that I printed so I could make pictures and that kind of stuff. So I only have these two left. And these two fit. Let me measure it again because I'm afraid to say the wrong thing. The inside is perfect 6.5 inches, and in centimeters, that's roughly 16.5 centimeters, and the depth is, that's a difficult word for me to say, but you can store even 11 inches of paper in it. That's no problem. But wide it is about 2 and, do I say that correctly? 2.5, slightly bigger than 2.5. Almost 2 3/4. Oh, sorry, almost 2 3/4 wide. And when I designed these, oh my goodness, I didn't think about 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper. I know we Dutch and, well, Euro makes other paper sizes, and then I thought, well, you know what, I'm going to redesign them. So the ones in my shop as a print file will hold 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper. Only these two were the old models, and these two I'm willing to sell. If you want these two, let me know. I will give you a very good price. I will not put them in my Etsy shop because Etsy is asking me ridiculous prices for these kind of items to put in. So I will put my email address in the description box. So if you want these two boxes, just let me know and I will make you a very nice price. Yeah, that was it. In the meantime, I had surgery again. There was so much going on. Ben needed to have a biopsy of his leg. He needed to go to the jaw surgeon. Oh, so that's why I've not been on YouTube for a while. And in the meantime, of course, I design a lot of new dies for all the sellers that I work for. So yeah, I hope soon I will be able to show you those new dies. Maybe I'm going to do the video right after this video. So let me know what you thought about my new 3D print items. If you have ideas, please let me know. If you have something, hey, that's already bugging me for so many years, can you design something for that? I'm always ears, always willing to listen, and always willing to help. So, yeah, I'm here for you. That's what I wanted to say. I wish you all a nice day. Thank you for watching this longer video. And, yeah, speak to you soon. Bye-bye.